Hello everyone and welcome to the Diverging Parallels. We are starting with a new series on MySQL. As you all know that in today's era, data is the gold mine and we should all know how to handle data. So we thought that we should start with the basic data handling tool, that is MySQL, to query results, to create databases, to create tables, etc. So for every manager, it is not mandatory to know each and everything, but to have a basic information of SQL is the need of the hour, and we should all know the basics of how to extract data from a database. So in this series, we'll not teach the complexities of SQL, but we'll teach the basics of SQL, and let's go for it. So in this lecture, I'll teach you how to install SQL and how to set up the whole MySQL server in your local machine. So let's start with the installation. So you know that MySQL is an open source software, so it is freely available in its official website. Don't download it from any other source, download it from the official website. So you can search this dev.mysql.com downloads installer. After that, you will see these two links. Download it from anywhere. I have downloaded it from the second link. So I have already downloaded this software. Let's open it and proceed further. So after you open this, you will see this screen. So we need three things for this course. That is MySQL Server, Mysql Workbench and Connector ODBC. So we'll press Custom, then Next. So first will be MySQL Servers, MySQL Server 8.0, 8.2.21. Drag it, Next, Execute. Wait for it to install. Next, 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 next. Now you have to set a MySQL root password. You can put any password here. Just remember this. Next, execute. So now the server is installed. Press next, finish. Then we have to add the second thing, that is MySQL Workbench. Add applications, MySQL Workbench 8.0, 8.2.21. Drag it, next, and install it. You will not see this pop-up as I have installed it previously, therefore it is showing in my screen, but you will not see this one. Exit. Next and finish. Just close this as of now, as we have one more thing to install. Next is Connector ODBC. So click Add, go to MySQL Connectors, Connector ODBC 8.0, 8.2.21. Drag it and install. Next, finish. Now we are done with installing all the three files. So you can close this and open MySQL Workbench, where we will write all the queries and will perform all the operations. So I have already made these 3 connections. So to add new connection, click on this add button plus, then you can give any connection name. Let's keep it localhost test connection. You have to enter the password that you have saved earlier. Enter that password, click OK. So successfully made the MySQL connection. So we are ready to go. Now click on OK. So this is the localhost for the new connection that we have created now. Open it. So now we have installed all the softwares that we will require for this course, and we have already set up the server and we have made a connection also. So we are ready to go and we are ready to write a query. So in the next lecture, I will teach you how to write a query and further things. Till then, goodbye, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any of our update. Thank you and stay safe.